do you love the breakfast?
Yeah.
Boy. What's for breakfast, AJ?
Mushroom fritters with watermelon and bananas.
And what's that there?
Freshly squeezed orange juice.
Awesome. Who made it?
Homemade.
Who made it?
Only made father and son.
High five.